Dave Dierks from the Storm Track 5 Weather Center, going into weather alert mode starting Friday afternoon through Saturday night. Combination of two things. Number one, we're going to see a period of snow showers off and on through, it looks like, Saturday morning, especially winding down from northwest to southeast during the day. But in addition to that possibility of some accumulating snow, we're going to also see another blast of some really Arctic air coming in. Dangerous cold, in fact, as we do anticipate the wind chills could go back down below zero later Saturday into Sunday into Monday as well, and with temperatures maybe getting into the teens to around 20 for highs on Saturday, and near zero temperatures by Monday morning. So that's kind of in a nutshell what's going on. Let's take a look at what we have as far as the winter storm warning that is in effect for all of northeast Tennessee, Southwest Virginia, as well as western North Carolina. Winter weather advisory is in effect for the southeast Kentucky counties, but it looks like we will see the likelihood of some accumulating snow. There's going to be a difference though with this storm. Not expecting ice. It's going to be likely all in the form of some snow. It's going to be a dry snow due to the cold temperatures, and a lighter, fluffier snow. So that will not, I think, help us from getting any power outages or any significant risk of power outages. Maybe some of the gusty winds in the mountains might lead to isolated power problems. But overall, main concern after the snow moves out, and we'll see the possibility of more concerns like with the freezing pipes and things like that. But also don't forget to bring in your pets during these cold, frigid days as well, because it can be dangerous for them as it can be for us as well. But looking at the snow starting time on Friday, it looks like we could see some light snow. I think what we see mainly on Friday will be light during the daytime, moving in during the morning across areas north of the Tri-Cities, and likely midday into early afternoon, crossing the state border into Tennessee, maybe toward mid to late afternoon or early evening before we see it encompass all areas. But it won't be warm, but we will be looking at highs near or a little bit above freezing in the Tri-Cities, 20s north and southwest Virginia and the mountains. Looks like that snow chance arrives during the afternoon for northeast Tennessee. As we take a look at what is likely for places like Norton further to the north, we'll see the snow timing likely earlier to begin, with temperatures only reaching the low to mid 20s. Now, as we look at the highs on Friday, 25 to 30 Southwest Virginia, mid, maybe upper 30s from near the Tri-Cities to Greenville, upper 20s to low 30s, Tennessee mountains, North Carolina mountains. And I think, as I mentioned, mostly light snow as we go into the afternoon through the evening hours, maybe a little heavier toward evening, but I think the steadier precipitation will likely be overnight in through Friday night into Saturday morning, as low pressure continues to evolve and take shape here off the Carolina coast. This is Saturday morning. It looks like it will continue to intensify. We're going to see heavy snow places like the Carolinas, south parts of Virginia into northeast Georgia. Our snow, as I mentioned, should wind down from Saturday from northwest to southeast, with a few snow showers or flurries lingering overnight, and perhaps a few flurries on Sunday as well. But some very frigid temperatures are going to come in. Take a look at Saturday. This is 7 a.m. and notice how really not much changes throughout the day. We see temperatures either hold steady or perhaps even slowly falling during the day as well. So morning temperatures are going to be the highs, and we'll likely see those numbers drop off into the single digits in the mountains, with the wind chills later Saturday into Sunday, especially into Monday morning, going below zero. So we do have a cold weather advisory for the Tri-Cities, northeast Tennessee, southwest Virginia for this weekend. Extreme cold watch for the mountains of Tennessee, North Carolina, and Grayson, Smith, Haswell, and Wythe counties of Virginia. Join us on coming up tonight on Fox News at News 5 on Fox, coming up at 10 o'clock, as well as News 5 at 11 on NBC, coming up at 11 for the latest snow totals and what we can expect on the temperature realm regarding those near zero temperatures.